Chitrakoot is a famous pilgrimage center located in Madhya Pradesh. It is a place of religious, cultural, historical, and archaeological importance situated in the Bundelkhand region. It borders the Chitrakoot district in Uttar Pradesh, whose headquarters Chitrakoot Dham is located nearby. The town lies in the historical Chitrakoot region, which is divided between the present day Indian states of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. It is known for a number of temples and sites mentioned in Hindu scriptures. It attracts pilgrims throughout the year on occasions such as Amavasya, Somvati Amavasya, Deepavali, Sharad Purnima, Makar Sankranti, Ram Navami. Chitrakoot means the hill of many wonders. Chitrakoot Parvatmala includes Kamadgiri, Hanuman Dhara, Janki Kund, Lakshman Pahadi, and Devangana, famous religious mountains. Chitrakoot's spiritual legacy stretches back to legendary ages. It was in these deep forests that Ram, goddess Sita, and his brother Lakshman spent 11 years and 6 months of their 14 years of banishment. Great sages like Atri, Sati Anusuya, Dattatreya, Maharshi Markandeya, Valmiki, and many renowned seers, devotees, and thinkers meditated here, and the principal trinity of the Sanatana Dharma, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, visited this place according to Hindu legends. It is said that all the gods and goddesses came to Chitrakoot when Lord Rama performed the Shraddha ceremony of his father to partake of the Shuddhi. When Bharat was asked by his ministers to take his seat upon the throne of Ayodhya, he refused and came to Chitrakoot to meet Lord Ram. Here at place called Bharat Milap, Bharat met Lord Ram and requested him to return to Ayodhya and rule, but Lord Ram would not. Then Bharat returned to Ayodhya and installed the sandals on the throne and, living in retirement, carried on the government as their minister. Now Lord Rama decided for 2 reasons to leave Chitrakuta. First, inasmuch as host of Rakshasas, out of hatred of him, annoyed the hermits of that place. And secondly, because the host of men from Ayodhya had trampled and defiled the place. And moreover, it reminded him too sharply of brothers' grief and the citizens and queen mothers. He went therefore with Sita and Lakshmana toward Dandaga forest. Ram Ghat. The ghats that line the Mandakini river are called Ram Ghat. During the exile period, Rama, Lakshmana, and Sita took bath here. Kamadgiri, the original Chitrakuta, is a place of religious significance. A forested hill, it is skirted all along its base by a chain of temples and is venerated today as the holy embodiment of Rama. Lord Rama is also known as Kamadnathji or Kamtanath, which literally means fulfiller of all wishes. Bharat Milap temple is located here, marking the spot where Bharata is said to have met Rama to persuade him to return to the throne of Ayodhya. It is said that the meeting of 4 brothers was so emotional that even the rocks and mountains of Chitrakoot melted. Footprints of Lord Rama and his brothers were imprinted on these rocks and are still present today and seen in Bharat Milap Mandir. Janaki Kund is situated upstream of the Ram Ghat, where it is believed that Sita bathed in the crystal clear waters of Mandakini river during the years of her exile with Rama. Sati Anasuya Ashrama is located further upstream, set amidst thick forests that round to the melody of bird song all day. It was here that Atri Muni, his wife Anasuya, and their 3 sons, who were the 3 incarnations of Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, lived and are said to have meditated. Gupt Godavari. Here is a pair of caves, one high and wide with an entrance through which one can barely pass, and the other long and narrow with stream of water running along its base. It is believed that Rama and Lakshmana held court in latter cave, which has 2 natural thrones like rocks. Pampapur, situated in the valley of Devangana, sacred caves related to Lord Rama. Hanuman Dhara, located on a rock face several hundred feet up a steep hillside, is a spring said to have been created by Rama to assuage Hanuman when the latter returned after setting Lanka afire. A couple of temples commemorate this spot, which offers a panoramic view of Chitrakoot. Bharat Koop is where Bharata stored holy water collected from all the places of pilgrimage in India. It has a small well and temple situated next to it. The water in the well remains pure and clean round the year. Ramshaya, located on the way between Chitrakoot and Bharat Koop, is an isolated location. According to Ramayana, this is the place where Sri Ram, Sita ji and Lakshman ji used to sleep and rest in the evenings after wandering around the forest of Chitrakoot. It is located between mountains with no town nearby. It has a large flat bedrock which bears foot imprints popularly believed to be those of Sri Rama, Lakshmana and Sita Mata. Jai Siya Ram.